another great wig review. The Thanksgiving holiday for Black Friday and Cyber Monday. I went to 3 websites and I bought 22 units. Yes, I did. And this is one of the 22 units that I will be reviewing today. And she is a sister wig, and she is from their luxurious, glamorous Glam collection. And her name is Siena. That's how you pronounce it, Siena. And she is a full wig with a pre-tweezed part. Yes, so let's open her up. I have her in a sombre color. Let's see. This is how she came. Very nice box. It opens up like that, and here's her Siena. And this is her care card. All her care instructions is on the back of this card. And it says that she takes temperatures up to 400 degrees, so you can curl her. She looks very, very pretty. Very, very pretty. So I wanted to try her out because she's more like a quick weave with a lace pre-tweezed part. So I had to try this girl out. So here's how she comes. So let's get her out of her netting. And it already clipped off that tag. So. Let's see, I'm just looking at her. Now she has a center part. That's how the model is wearing her. Now, I'm not a big fan of the center part. I just don't think they look very attractive on me at all, but I am going to give this one a go. So let's see her cap construction. This is her parting. That is very nice. I like the color of it too. Look at that. That's very nice. And let's flip her inside out. Now she has 3 combs. These 2 are next to the part. Then she has 1 directly in the back. And she has her elastic straps. And she's a nicely aerated cap. Now, it doesn't feel like a yucky hair, but it's very soft. It feels more like, I would say, an Italian. Maybe it does. Between an Italian and a yucky. A nice smooth. It's nice, smooth, and soft. I wouldn't know what you would call this. And that's that 33. Very pretty. With the ombre, with the dark roots. It looks like it's probably a number 2 on top there. So let me put her on and see what we get. So move that back some. So I parted my hair down the middle to get ready for this girl. And she does have tabs. So, like I said, I am not a fan of the middle part. I don't wear them. I will wear a part to the left or to the right, mostly to the right, but I do left-sided parts occasionally, but I never ever sport a middle part. So even when I was younger. So she's not bad. I mean, she's a little coney. She could be press down some to get her more flatter in that section. But all in all, she's very nice. I'll put a little powder in her. Find out what I did with my powder. Oh, it's right there. See, I'm supposed to have everything ready right before I start. Let's see. I really don't think she needs it. I think she has a very natural looking part. So, let's do a 360 on her because actually she's very pretty. I mean, I'm not a fan. I'm not feeling this middle part. Like I said, I'm not a fan as far as her texture, the quickness of putting her on. You know, I give her 10, you know, on both of that. The part is excellent, excellent. But I am not a fan, on me, of the middle part. So let's do the 360 of her. So I will stand up and see if you can see her length in the back. Yeah, because I can barely get her. So she's about 18, 20 inches. I'm 5'5", and that's where she hits on me. So yeah, she's very nice. So let me switch her to the right side, see how she works. Because the ear tabs are right here. This is the correct positioning of her, but I am going to move her. I'm going to unhook those and move her. So now I got a tab, an ear tab is right behind this ear, and I got one on my left temple because I moved her to the right some. And let's see. Hook this. Now I'm feeling her. Oh, okay. Now I am definitely feeling her. Now she's pretty now. It only took a second for me to move her over like that. So let's look at the hairline. I didn't do that. Let's see how the hairline looks. If I pull her back and probably fix her up some, I could. You know, I could see how you could get that going a little bit better, but look at that. That looks pretty good. It doesn't look too fakey. Let me pull it back some. Oh yeah, there you go. That looks very good. Now with that, of course, I didn't position my part there, so that's why I don't have the part like I do here, because I was going for the center part. But if I knew I was going to have her on the right side, I would have a part there for her to go down into, and she would look very much more realistic. But really, all in all, I think she looks really good. Really, really nice. So yeah, I am going to wear her on the right side. So now you can see that she is versatile. You can reposition her from the center to the left to the right, whichever one you want to do. She is very quick. Let me brush her some. I want to see if I'm going to get any shedding. You know, I don't like to beat up on my wigs like that. I don't have to. Oh, she's very glamorous. How glamorous is, they're right, glam. Luxurious glam. This is such a beautiful unit. And as you can see, how I just moved her part over. Wasn't that simple enough? I mean, she's versatile and she doesn't shed. She's very pretty. I am feeling her now. And yes, I give her a 10 on her quickness, on her beautiful part, and on her wow factor. She's got a wow factor to her. You know, that wow factor, this parse, and how quick it is to put her on. And you know I like a quick weave, a instant fashion, or a glam. Now this glam, this bam, throw her on and go. Look at that. Look at that. No messing with the lace. No, not messing with the lace. She's great. She is just beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So yes, I got her from hairtobeauty.com. She was one of my most expensive on my ultimate haul. So I paid $24.95 for this glam, and she is worth that $24.95 because you know I'm cheap. And to me, that's an expensive unit. I know, isn't that sad? That is sad. Anything between 25 and 60, I think is expensive. That I'm splurging. So you know how cheap I am. So watch my channel because I'm only going to give you bargains. Because I just, you know, I love wigs so much. And I want a variety. I want to switch them up all the time. All the time. I might wear 3 different styles or 4 different styles in a week because I like to switch them up. And so with that, that makes my wigs last. And I can afford them. And this one, it was such a deal and no lace. So I am going to put all her information down in the bottom. You can go and check out and still see if they have Siena. And I'm thinking that, you know, she's probably around. I've seen a few reviews on her. And I liked her. And I really wanted her in this color, but I was afraid. But I guess I could have. But I was afraid to get her in this color. But she is very, very... I'm pulling her down a little bit. Very, very pretty. So, anyway, if you like this video and subscribe and come on back because I have so many more wigs to review. Another 20 wigs to review. So come on back and see what I think. And I'm going to tell you if I like it or not. And this one I do like. So, and I'm feeling her. I wasn't at first, but I'm feeling her. And I'm going to give you the truth. If I don't like it, I just don't like it. And so you don't have to run out there and spend your money on her. But if you like this video, please like the video and subscribe. And come on back for another great wig under $30. I'm MesMèric. I'll see you next time. And thank you for viewing. Bye-bye.